Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mysore location. Firstly, there is a job openings for TechMill Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for Java developers. It is a walk-in interview which is going to be held on 22nd February to 25th February 2021. That is Monday to Thursday. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, that is hr@techmilltechnologies.com, and a minimum 1 year of experience is required. Up to 4 years of experience will be considered. And you can see you should have knowledge of Java and JavaScript. Work location will be Mysuru, and there is a address details available here. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, and there is also a official website address given here. You can check with that. Contact number is 0821 42555628, and email ID is hr@techmilltechnologies.com. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Krishna Scanning Center. They are looking for receptionist position. The person should have knowledge of computer, and location will be Agrahara, Mysore. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact number is 252-2409 and 2568597. And there is also address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Sai Carton Manufacturing Company Private Limited. They are looking for various positions like senior sales manager, sales coordinator, forklift operator, electrical and mechanical maintenance, and data entry operator. For senior sales manager, minimum qualification is any graduation and should have minimum 8 to 10 years of experience in supply chain. And for sales coordinator position, minimum qualification is graduation and should have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in supply chain. And for forklift operator, the person should have experience in PRC attachment forklift operation. And for electrical and mechanical maintenance in charge, should have experience in any manufacturing industry. And for data entry operator, the qualification is minimum graduation and should have 2 to 3 years of experience as a data entry operator with good typing speed. You can send your resumes to the below email ID, and there is also mobile number given, and there is also official address details available here. You can check with that. Contact number is 9108471268, and email ID is compliance@saicarton.com. Next, there is a job openings for Top Seal India. They are looking for various positions like ITM machinist turners and mechanical diploma candidates and BE mechanical candidates. Minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. There is also official email ID available. Contact number is 9003759111, and email ID is am@topscalindia.com. Next, there is a job openings for Jnana Sarovara International Residential School. They are looking for various positions like accounts assistant, DTP operator, personal assistant and office assistants, front desk receptionist, resident physical education teacher, and hostel wardens. For accounts assistant, the person should be commerce graduate, should have a knowledge of tally, and minimum 3 years of experience is required. For DTP operator position, minimum qualification is graduation or undergraduate, should have a DTP course, and should have a knowledge of CorelDRAW, Photoshop, English and Kannada Nudi typing. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required. For personal assistant and office assistants, minimum qualification is graduation. Should have flair to travel with pleasant communicative skills and computer knowledge. And for front desk receptionist position, only female graduates are eligible. Should you have a fluency in English and should you have experience in similar assignment and exposure to computer is required. For resident physical education teacher, minimum qualification is BPED, MPED. Should you have minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. For hostel wardens, minimum qualification is graduation. Should you have fluency in English and should you have experience of minimum 3 to 5 years in similar assignment and exposure to computer is required. You can share your resume along with your photograph immediately to the provided email ID career@jirsm.com. And there is also official website address given here. You can go through it. You can contact in the given mobile number for more information, that is 9743375360. Next, there is a job openings for various positions like Hindi teacher, Kannada teacher, art teacher, PT teacher, admin and nursery teachers for Wisdom School located in Nanjangud affiliated to CBSE. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can also contact on the given phone number for more information. Email ID is info.schooling@gmail.com and mobile number is 7676110063. Next, there is a job openings for Capital Public School located in Saraswatipuram, Mysuru. You should have a minimum training experience and should have a only female candidates are eligible for this job role who are motivated, should have a good academic credentials and proven track record in teaching. They have requirement for post of PRT, PGT, TGT, dance teacher and art and craft teacher and swimming coach. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can also contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Email ID is capaitolmysuru2020@gmail.com and contact numbers are 89707 0821 4000 Next, there is a job openings for Naksha Honda. They are looking for various positions like sales manager, service manager, field executives, service advisor, final inspection and driver. For sales manager, minimum qualification is degree or MBA with 5 years of experience in automobile industry. For service manager, BE mechanical or automobile with 5 years of experience is required. And for field executives, with relevant experience, the candidates are required. For service advisor, minimum qualification is ITI or BE mechanical with minimum 1 year of experience in customer interaction. For final inspection, the person should have ITI with two-wheeler technical knowledge. For driver position, the person should have a valid driving license. Salary will be offered best in the industry. Interested candidates, you can share your resume at the provided email ID. You can also contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Email ID is hr@nakshaHonda.in. Contact number is 99863 88881 and landline number is 0821 400 0774. There is also official address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is job openings for Viva Body and Soul. They are looking for front desk assistant. Working hours will be 5:30 am to 8:30 am and 6 pm to 9 pm. Students staying nearby can also apply. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 0821 244 9917. Next, there is a job opening for Mysore Dental Care. They are looking for helper positions. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9986235853. Next, there is job openings for SSV Skills. They are looking for sales executive positions. The person should have experience. You can directly walk in between 12 pm to 3 pm or 6 pm to 8 pm. This is the address details. You can check with that. Next, there is job openings for Level Up Business Center. They are looking for marketing executive positions, back office. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role. There is 2 vacant positions. The person should have fluency in English. Minimum qualification is post graduation or graduation any subject. Age limit is below 35 years. Office timings will be 9 am to 6 pm. No night shift. Annual CTC is 1,82,748. You can contact on the given phone number for more information and there is also official address details provided here. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 9980074468 and 9901746268. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Mysore location as early as possible. I'll release the another part soon. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage us to do more videos for Mysore location. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, let us know in comments below. I will be replying for that.